Now is available at McCarthy Cars, BMW X5, 3-liter diesel, 09 plate 2009, metallic silver. Car has front parking sensors, has front fog lights, car has privacy rear glass, rear parking sensors, this 7-seater car has split folding rear seats, full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 7 headrests, ISOFIX, full electric seats including memory, front auto headlights, car has satellite navigation, has aux connection, CD, climate control, six CD changer, push button to start, 2-zone climate control aircon, heated seats, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, thank you for watching.